Hello my dear students, good morning first class. I am Neelam. Today I welcome you in your moral class. Today we will start the first chapter of moral textbook. The first chapter is The Sparrow and the Ant. Okay, The Sparrow and the Ant is the first chapter of your moral textbook, and the theme of this chapter is true friends help each other. Okay, this is the theme of this chapter. True friends help each other. There is a chatcon exercise. It's a oral exercise for the students that you will discuss with your parents at your home. Okay, and this exercise we will do. This is a warm-up exercise. Let's we do. How do you think friends should behave with each other? Tick the right answer. Okay, how do you like to behave with your friends? If the sentence is right, then you will tick it. If it's not right, then leave it. Okay, so the first sentence is they should help each other. Yes, it's true, so we tick that sentence. Next one is they should be rude to each other. No, so we will not take that sentence. Next one is they should be kind to each other. Yes, it's true, so we take that sentence. And the next one is they should fight with each other. No, it's not right, so we will not take that sentence. Okay, so this exercise is complete now. Now we will start the chapter. Okay, first we read the chapter, then I explain you something about it, then we discuss. Okay, so let's we start. First we read the chapter. One day an ant was searching for some water. Okay, ant was searching for water. She was a stream and tried to reach the stream. She was in stream. This is a stream and this is an ant. Okay, so while trying to climb up a blade of grass, she slipped and fell into the water. She tried to climb up the grass, means just like there is a grass piece and she tried to climb up the grass, but she slipped and fell into the water. A little sparrow who lived in a tree. Little sparrow who lived on a tree. Tree near the stream saw the ant trying to cross the stream, but the water was flowing very fast. The sparrow decided to help the ant. Okay, sparrow decided to help the ant. Now come on the next page. So it picked up a leaf and dropped it near the ant. Okay, she picked up a leaf and dropped it near the ant. You can see the picture. Ant dropped the leaf into the stream, then ant climbed up the leaf. The ant climbed onto the leaf and floated across the stream. It reached the other side and said to the sparrow, "Thank you, my friend. I will never forget your help." Who said that? An ant. Okay, an ant say thank you to the sparrow for the help. And the next paragraph is, a few days later, a bird catcher came to the forest. He wanted to catch the sparrow and tried to throw a net towards the sparrow. Hoping to trap it, the sparrow could not see the bird catcher because she was hidden. But suddenly the bird catcher was bitten on the neck by the ant. He screamed and dropped the net. The sparrow flew to a higher branch where it was safe. You can see the picture. There was a bird catcher who threw a net to catch the sparrows. But the sparrow don't know about these things. Then the ant sees all the scene. Then ant decided to bitten on the neck of the bird catcher. Then he screamed and dropped the net. The sparrow flew to higher branch where it was safe. Then the sparrow flew away. Then she was safe. Okay. Now come on the next page. The sparrow saw that the ant was the same ant that it had helped a few days ago. The sparrow thanked the ant, saying, "Thank you. You are a true friend." Who said thank you? Sparrow. Sparrow said thank you to the ant for the help. And what she said? You are a true friend. Yes, it's true. There is a saying goes in English, true friendship is a need who friend indeed. Really. Friend is need, friend indeed. There is a saying goes in English, true friend that was who helped you in your struggle time. Who helped you in your struggle time, that was your true friend. Okay, so both sparrow and ant, now they become true friends and best friends. Okay, so the chapter is complete now, and the next chapter exercises of this chapter we will discuss in next videos. Okay, and there is a homework for you. This is your homework. This is the sentence of your story, and you will arrange it in sequence wise. Okay, arrange according to the story sequence wise. Okay, which comes before and which sentence comes after. Okay, so arrange these sentences sequence wise according to the story. So this is a story. Thanks for watching me. Have a nice day. And the exercises of this chapter we will discuss in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.